Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If x positive y the whole square equals to 10, x negative y the whole square equal to 4, what is the value of x times y? Okay, using the given information over here, we have to find the value of x times y. Okay, now let me consider the two algebraic identities. That is the expansion of the square of a binomial. First, let me consider a positive the whole square. So this is a square of a binomial. Its expansion is a trinomial, that is a square positive 2ab positive b square. Let me consider another identity, that is a negative b the whole square. Its expansion is a square negative 2ab positive b square. Okay, here when I consider the expansion of the square of this binomial and this binomial, so almost we have the same terms over here. So when we have positive sign between a and b, here 2ab is positive. When we have negative sign between a and b, the 2ab is negative. Okay, using these two binomials, I am going to expand the square of the binomial over here in the first equation, the square of the binomial over here in the second equation. Okay, now let me take the first equation, that is x positive y the whole square equals to 10. Okay, here this x positive y the whole square is exactly in this form. At the place of b we have x, at the place of b we have y. So to get the expansion, we have to use this trinomial. In this trinomial, we have to write x at the place of a and y at the place of b. Then we get x square positive 2xy positive y square equals to 10. Okay, let me take the second equation, that is x negative y the whole square equals to 4. Okay, here when I consider the square of the binomial over here, it's in the form of a negative b the whole square. Now to get the expansion of this one, we can consider the trinomial over here. So we have to plug in x for a and y for b over here in this trinomial to get the expansion for this one. So then I'm getting x square negative 2xy positive y square equals to 4. Okay, here let me consider this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay, what if I add the two equations over here? When I add two equations, this positive 2xy, negative 2xy will cancel out. But our aim is to get the value of the product x times y. So I need this term xy in both the equations so that I'll be able to get the value of this xy. So for that, what we have to do is we have to subtract the two equations. When I subtract the two equations, I'll be able to get rid of this x square and y square. Then I can get the resulting equation in terms of x times y. Okay, now let me subtract the second equation from the first equation. Now let me write this first equation as it is, that is x square positive 2xy positive y square equals to 10. Okay, here we have negative sign in front of the second equation. So we have to multiply all the terms of the second equation by this negative sign. When I multiply this x square by negative sign, I am getting negative x square. When I multiply this negative 2xy by negative sign, it will become positive 2xy. When I multiply this positive y square by negative sign, I am getting negative y square. When I multiply this positive 4 by negative sign, I am getting negative 4. Okay, now let's simplify this one. So positive y square, negative y square will cancel out. Positive x square, negative x square will cancel out. When I combine positive 2xy, positive 2xy, I am getting positive 4xy. On the right side, when I combine positive 10 and negative 4, I am getting positive 6. Okay, now let me divide both sides of this equation by 4. Then this 4 will cancel out. I am getting xy equals to, and also we can simplify the 6 over 4. That is 2 goes into 6 3 times and 2 goes into 4 2 times. So I'm getting 3 over 2. So the value of x times y is 3 over 2, or in decimal form it is 1.5.